In this video, we'll be sharing with you 5 keys to successful life. If you're new here, consider subscribing so that you won't miss videos like this. Success means different things to different people. For some, success might be financial achievements, becoming a millionaire, for example. For some, it might be accolades. For sportsmen, it may be trophies, championships, or medals. For some, success simply means achieving a state of wellness, health, or happiness. Whatever it means to you, take a note of these 5 keys to successful life. They apply to any area and any meaning of success. Number 1. Money. You think money is not everything, so you don't know the importance of money. People who say money is not everything or money is not important, well, these are the ones who usually lack money. Yes, agree, money is not everything, but it is an important tool for the survival of life. Money is not everything, but you need money for everything. Like money looks after your family, it gives you comfort, it gives you security. Whole world runs on money. So we cannot skip the importance of money. Imagine if you tell your girlfriend or boyfriend that you are not important to me anymore. What will be their reaction? They will leave you, obviously. The same thing applies for money also. If you treat money as a person and tell that you are not important to me, even money won't stay with you for long. Number 2. Boredom. You know those days where you have nothing to do. So you just binge, watch your favorite Netflix show until you begin to melt into your couch. Instead of wasting this free time, use it to acquire a new skill. Wealthy people often value self-improvement and are always trying to make the most of themselves. Often this means learning a new skill that you can use to make more money in the future. In order to learn a new skill, choose couple of hours a week to devote to it. Take a class or use the time to read a book on the topic you like to master. Even if it's like you know absolutely nothing about, give it a try. Stepping out of your comfort zone is a great way to see things from a new perspective. Number 3. Work on your interests. Do you think job is the only way to earn money? No, spending our valuable time to just earn few thousands of rupees. Instead, you can sell your ideas and skills and you can earn even more than that. In this way, your life will be in your control and you will not be dependent on anyone. Because time is limited and in this limited time, if you do job for a lifetime also, still you won't be able to fulfill your desires. So it's important to change your mindset for earning money. That job is not only the option to earn money. Focus on value creation because when you sell your products and services, you create value for those products and in return you get money. So if you have any idea or skill which provide value for people, then start working on that. Number 4. Distracting entertainment. This sacrifice can be especially challenging during a time when social media is just a click away at all times. I'm pretty sure Oprah Winfrey isn't wasting her afternoons scrolling through her Instagram feed. When you're working on building a business or haunting it on your craft, distractions can easily become your downfall. Entertainments like movies, TV shows not only waste your valuable time but also your money. Think about it. In 1 month, going to the movies a couple times and maybe a concert or two can literally cost you hundreds of rupees. Not to mention the fact that it took up tons of your time. Instead of getting distracted by entertaining activities, every weekend, designate 1 day a month, do something fun and entertaining. That way, if you choose one Saturday to catch up all the Game of Thrones episodes you missed, You won't feel guilty. Number 5. Caring about what other people think. Life isn't like high school. It's not about popularity contest. If people don't like you, you shouldn't stress too much about it. While it's important to be respectful of others, there's no need for you to go out of your way to appease them, especially if it hinders your growth. Working towards your goal isn't about making friends, it's about earning what you deserve. It may feel like you're sacrificing a lot to work your way to the top, but remember, hard work often pays off. And if you put your all into something, think about how great it would feel when you get to reap all the benefits of your hard work. Oh, and when you do earn the big bucks, is it cool if I borrow 20 bucks? Just kidding. I know. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.